Welcome to this week's edition of MTA Queensland's newsletter. First and foremost, I understand there's a major weather event washing through, quite literally, southeast Queensland. Please stay safe. Please stay out of harm's way. Other breaking news, the Productivity Commission has finally released its report into the right to repair industry. A couple of important elements. It's whole of economy, not just automotive, but it's still worth having a read. Range of recommendations around consumer protections, consumer complaint mechanisms, more transparent complaint mechanisms, faster complaint mechanisms, the clash between statutory and consumer warranties. But there is a specific recommendation that does impact on some of our members, and that's about agricultural machinery manufacturers, where it specifically recommends that manufacturers should be sharing right to repair information with independent repairers. So very similar to what's happening elsewhere in the industry. Please have a good read, and there'll be more information coming in the future. Other breaking news, our EVH courses. If you're trying to tool up your industry or skill up your employees, they're already selling out as far as April next year. Don't hesitate. But in the interim, if you want to get your employees to start absorbing this much heralded and much important information, get onto our micro-credential course. It's really convenient, 100% online, but high quality productions indeed. A final mention I want to make is around our Gala. I mentioned it last week, but what a night. I'm really humbled by the feedback we're getting and just how much everyone enjoyed it. So thank you for everyone who's made the effort to reach out and thank us for the night. In terms of the award winners, have a look at the profiles that we're starting to share around various media sources. Bill Robertson, Toyota. Well done, James and his team, for the Community Award. Fiona Blackburn. Read her story. What a fantastic success and role model for future women. Joshua Frampton. What a fantastic Apprentice of the Year. And of course, last year's Apprentice of the Year gave the keynote speech, and what a speech it was indeed. And of course, Wolfgang and Harry and the team from EMOS Australia won the Innovation Award. What a tightly contested award that was and should be, because it is the future of our industry. So fantastic result. And of course, I'm standing with their vehicles now. See you next week.